Hey guys, I got a quick one for you today, but it's an absolute banger. It's about 6 o'clock, and my guild's running next 25 in a couple hours, so I'm going to try to do this quick. As we all know, in the last week or two, since Elon Musk has taken over Twitter, it's been an absolute shit show. It's been pretty funny. Some good things happening, some bad things happening, a lot of just goofy shit in general. We got an absolute banger. This one happened yesterday, and it's making headline news today. A fake verified account under the name Eli Lilly announced that they were excited to announce that insulin is free now. Of course, this being a fake verified account, this is not real. Insulin is not going to be free. Eli Lilly does have a program where they sell insulin for 35 bucks a month. I don't use insulin, so I can't really speak on that very much, and I'm not super informed on the whole pharmaceutical price gouging thing. I assume that it's a thing. I'm fairly certain it is. Nobody likes pharmaceutical companies price gouging. I think that's kind of a scumbag thing for them to do, but hey, it is what it is. I don't know how to fix that, and I don't know what to tell you about it. So we're going to go over here. This is a story from Investors Business Daily. As you can see, they dropped about 4.5% to $352. We're going to go over here and look at Google Finance real quick. As we can see before the tweet, on November 10th, they were trading at 367. November 10th, I believe they closed at 368. And the day after the tweet, or the day of the tweet, day after the tweet, they dropped about 20 bucks a share. That's about 4.5%, which is pretty significant when you're talking about a company with the market caps in the hundreds of billions. Pretty significant tanking, and not only did it affect Eli Lilly, it also affected the other two companies that supply 100% of the insulin in the United States and 90% around the world. That would be Novo Nordisk, and what was the other one? Novo and Sanofi. They dropped about 3.5% each. That's a pretty significant dive. I think this really exemplifies not only how an easier verification process can be a detriment in and of itself, but also the detriment that fake profiles can have. Therefore, I am of the opinion, personally, that Twitter really does need to crack down on these fake verified accounts. Now, we can sit here and have a discussion about pharmaceutical price gouging. That's not really the point I'm trying to make. I just think this is kind of an interesting result from these fake verification profiles, these fake verified profiles. Like I said, this is not something I'm well versed in, so I'm not really inclined to have a deeper discussion on it. I more than welcome it if, I love to be informed on things like this. I've been blessed with relatively decent health my entire life, so luckily I haven't been goat seed by the pharmaceutical company myself. I have seen it happen to other people. My grandmother, for example, spent hundreds and hundreds of dollars monthly on her medications, and I hate to see that happen to anybody. I think there are things we could do to make the pharmaceutical companies a little bit more responsible and make these things more affordable. I don't know what the solution is. I'm not going to pretend that I do. I'm just using this as an example to show what broad effects these fake verified accounts can have. We can have a discussion in the comments on whether or not you think it's a good thing that verification's easier. I think at the end of the day, whichever side of either debate that you fall on, we can all agree that these fake verified accounts are a nuisance and a plague on Twitter, and definitely warrant a crackdown on that. So guys, this is going to be a quick one. Let's talk about it in the comments. Let's have a good time. Let's have a good discussion. I look forward to talking to you later. Y'all have a good day.